Are young investors taking too much risk? A comparison of Gen Z, who were born between 1997 through 2012, versus baby boomers, who were born from 1946 to 1964, show that Gen Z is taking on much more risk compared to when baby boomers were their age. In a study from the FINRA Investor Education Foundation, 36% of respondents between the ages of 18 to 34 had traded options. This compares to 8% of investors who were 55 years and older. Also revealed in the survey was younger and new investors were more likely to use margin when investing. This came at a surprisingly high rate, with 23% of investors between the ages of 18 and 34 saying they had used margin when investing. This compares to just 3% of respondents aged 55 and older. What was also interesting and informative is the lack of investing experience, as 19% of investors with less than 2 years of investing experience stated they had used margin. However, just 6% of investors with experience of 10 years or more, well, they have used margin. I think many of these older investors are more cautious because they had learned their lessons. There's no doubt that the young investor today is taking on more risk than the more experienced investors. I believe this is for two reasons. First off, the access to trade and invest is so easy these days, and it can be done on your phone in the hand at any time you want to, at essentially any point in time. Now, compare that to 25 to 35 years ago, when investors had to go through a broker to do their trades. The second reason I see is the Great Recession in 2008 was 17 years ago, and the young investors today were only 5 to 15 years old. At that time, they had no interest or care about the economy and the crash of the stock market. Investing successfully long-term involves many years of experience and research, and unfortunately, I believe the younger investors will learn by experience that the risks they are taking today, well, unfortunately, I do not believe it will end well. I'm Brett Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.